Hello everyone, my name is Basit and today we are going to learn about how to install WordPress on localhost using XAMPP server. So the first step is to download XAMPP server, and to do that you will have to visit the XAMPP server official website. The link is down in the description below. On the download page you will have to choose your operating system. Mine is Windows, so I'll have to click XAMPP for Windows. So after downloading the XAMPP, just install it on your computer. Wherever you want to install it, choose the drive and install it. So in the next step, you will have to download WordPress from the WordPress official website. So here is the WordPress official website. The link is also in the description. So on the main page, just simply click here on the Get WordPress and you will be redirected to the download page. And here on the download page, just scroll down and click Download WordPress. I have already installed, so I'm not going to download it again. So after downloading the WordPress and installing the XAMPP server, go to your folder where you just install the XAMPP server and open up the htdocs folder, and here just extract the WordPress you downloaded earlier. Alright, so after extracting the WordPress, the next step is to run the XAMPP server and create the database. So from here, just double click and start the Apache and MySQL from here, and open up your browser window and type localhost/phpMyAdmin, and from here click on the databases and create your database. You can database whatever you want. In my case, I'm gonna use Portfolio as a database name. So click create. After creating the database, now open up new tab and type localhost/the folder name. Our folder name is WordPress, so type WordPress here and press enter. So in the next step, choose the language and click continue, and from here we will need the following 5 things: database name, username, password and host. So now let's click on Let's Go button here and enter your database name. Our database name is Portfolio and the username will be root, and there were no passwords, so just leave this as empty and click submit. So in the next step, click run the installation button here, and here the information needed will be your site title, my portfolio, and the username could be anything. Let's suppose admin, and the password will be admin123 or whatever you want to use. And here put your email address in case if you want to forgot your password, and click install WordPress. Alright, so WordPress has been installed successfully. The next step is to click login and log into our admin dashboard. So this is our WordPress admin dashboard. From here you can create pages, posts, etc. So this will be our website front end.